I'm confused. I need help.
Two great cameras and I can't decide between them.
Hey guys, how you all doing? I'm kind of confused. I've been using my phone so far for any of the vlogs I've done, and then I've done some live streaming on YouTube. I'm kind of enjoying it now. I'm starting to enjoy it. I'm not sure if you guys are, but I'm now confused on what to do. So everyone's using these GoPros, and I'm not sure if I want to use a GoPro. I don't know. I've been looking at the GoPro Hero 7 because it's not too expensive and it's a decent size. And then there's also the Dji Osmo Pocket Pro.
The GoPro is a camera that everyone seems to swear by these days. They say it's reliable, it's durable, and it's also waterproof, and the quality is good. The DJI, on the other hand, is something new, looks fantastic, it's smaller, and it's got a built-in gimbal. It also looks really nice, I think, leaving me confused.
For a YouTube rookie, I'm hoping some people will help me out here. So yeah, guys, please do help, and yeah, please subscribe as well, please. That would be useful. I'm sure it would. See, I like the idea that the DJI Osmo Pro has a built-in gimbal and it's got face tracking, so it would look good. I mean, in terms of being able to move around, and it follows you. So it would always keep me in shot, which is good, you know, which for me is a positive because I'm not very experienced with cameras. But the GoPro has its own benefits. I think it's got a better audio from what I've heard, and also it's got a wider angle or a wider lens. I don't know what you call it. The DJI Osmo Pro looks fantastic. It's futuristic. It's small. It fits in your pocket, and the gimbal allows me to keep the picture a lot more stable, I think. And I personally like the look of it. The GoPro Hero 7 is waterproof, it's durable, and as a beginner, I think I'm confused between the two. Should I just buy a gimbal for my phone? It's cheaper. I need help. I need advice. Help me.
Leave a comment below to help me, please.